Hello folks, just once again a reminder about IPMAT Crash Course. This is starting on the 31st of March. We have a wonderful webinar that we have scheduled. All the details and how to sign up, how to register are available in the description. This is on 27th March at 8:30 p.m. Be nice and short. We're going to tell you what this exam is about, how should you plan, how should you prepare, what are the prospects, all of that. We want quick and dirty download of everything IPMAT. And so I know this is, some of you guys will still be having your board exams or you'll be in the middle of that, in which case you don't attend, send a link across to your parents. This is more or less for parents. So parents, please do chime in for 20 minutes, half an hour, get a full download so that you can take an informed decision about what can potentially be a beautiful career path. All the details of this are available on the description below. And best wishes, guys.